Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia A10, and today I will show you how we can enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, which will bring up your notifications along with the toggles, and one of those toggles you can see right here is the Do Not Disturb mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now once you see the toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it. And as you can see, this takes you to the settings. Here you can go over the settings and just customize them to fit your needs. And like I mentioned, click on the toggle to turn it on, tap on it again to turn it off. Now if you're the type of person that forgets to turn off their Do Not Disturb mode once you're done needing it, in the settings you actually have the option to define what happens when you press on it. So it's the duration for quick settings, and here you can for instance change it to a timer and make it something like 4 hours. Once confirmed, every time you enable it by tapping on it, it will run for the specified amount of hours. You can see right now, and you can also turn it off before the timer. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.